Hey guys, you're speaking to Jedd from Disrupt Tutoring. Always so lovely to join you. Today we're going to be looking at some of the differences between similarity and congruency. So in this question we've got, write down whether each pair of triangles given below is congruent, similar, or neither. So let's start our question off with pair 1. So what do we see? We've got two triangles, and we notice that one pair of triangles is the same marked by that marker. We notice that this pair of sides is also marked by that marker, which means they're the same size. And then we see that there's this common line over there, which means that because it's a shared side, it must be equal for both triangles. So what this says to me is, because we've got two pairs of clearly equal sides and then one shared side, which automatically makes it equal for both shapes, that those two triangles are exactly the same. And therefore, we would say that triangles in pair 1 are congruent. And I think it's a good habit, guys, to get in to write the reason. So in this reason, it's because all three sides are the same. So we're going to call it side, side, side. So that shows the educator that not only do you know it's congruent, but it also justifies why you think it's congruent, which is very impressive. If we move on to the next one, 6.2.2, we see that we've been given two triangles, but they've given us specifically the sizes of the sides. Now, when we try and prove similarity, when we try and prove similarity, we need to try and prove that there's some constant ratio between the different sides, the different pairs of sides. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this triangle and I'm going to write the numbers as denominators. So our numbers there are the size of this one over here. We're going to put 2 as the denominator, 4 and 6. So I've just taken the 4 and the 6 from there. Now I'm going to look at the exact same sides in the other triangle. So it would be these three sides we're going to use. So because we've got this 2 from over here, we know that that is the corresponding side, and we're going to put a 1 at the top as the numerator. Because we know that we got the 4 from here, this is going to be our corresponding side. So that's going to be 2. And because we know we got this 6 from over there, we're going to use that 3 as our numerator. Now let's simplify these. If we simplify the fraction over here, we know that 2 goes into itself once and it goes into 4 twice, and 3 goes into itself once and goes into 6 twice. Now what you notice between these three ratios, they're all exactly the same, which is exactly what we would expect if these shapes were similar. And therefore we can say that the triangles in pair 2 are similar. Fantastic. And I would definitely include this working out at the bottom, because it shows your teacher not only do you know these are similar, but you know why. Because sometimes you might just pick eeny, meeny, miny, mo, put similar down and get the mark. But it's so impressive when I mark your tests that you're able to justify why it's similar, because it shows you understand what similar means. That's all from me, guys. Thank you so much to our sponsors. Find out more about them in the description below. If you're keen on more videos, visit our website or send us your question and we'll respond with a personalized video and give you a shout out in that video. Until the next time, guys, stay epic.